The laws that govern the universe literally hold the planet Earth and the entire cosmos together. All of the fundamental principles have to be in place in order for life to occur. Wipe out just one of these principles, even alter one of them slightly, no life. The individual becomes meaningful as a part of the network that transcends it. An individual alone is vulnerable. One small event can be catastrophic. But when he becomes a crucial, functioning part of a network or community, he's protected. Let's take a look at the animal kingdom. For example, a swarm of birds. No visible rules apply, and there's no visible pack leader. These animals manage to form an informal group built up of individuals. This is what science calls a swarm. Separate individuals connected to the totality. These separate individuals represent what we like to refer to as holons. Once holons start interlinking, they form a holarchy, like a community or complex network. But mankind is far more variable, and individuals tend to make their own decisions. Studying the behavior of swarms could help us introduce a natural cohesion between the behavior of individuals and help us with the unavoidable transition of the energy sector. Let's have a look at this. What we just saw appears to be unstructured in the beginning, but a little spark as ignition, combined with basic rules and confined parameters, lead to a structured collective performance. There's no centralized control structure dictating how individuals should behave, but interactions between individuals lead to the emergence of intelligent group behavior, unknown by the individuals. Energy-related companies can be the ones to create these circumstances. In human society, something like swarming needs to be directed in a very subtle way to achieve the same kind of behavior that animals perform naturally. Ultimately, it could lead to self-directing groups. Let's translate this to the 2050 policy and more. On the road towards the 2050 policy, energy company holons need to be the producer of the swarming process so the swarm keeps on moving, heading in the right direction, reinforcing the group intelligence, and keeping the goals alive, and finally, involving all holons in the process. On the prosumer holon side, this means interlinking and fitting together individual initiatives in sustainable, decentralized production. Just like a swarm, the group reacts as a whole to subtle external influences from the energy company holons. To achieve these goals, we believe that swarm theory will be the solution. The holon becomes a meaningful part of the network that transcends it.